Jai Hind student, welcome to biology class. Students, in this lecture we will discuss about the difference between trophic and nastic movements. So we have seen the trophic movement, what are trophic movement, then we have also discussed what are nastic movements in plants, how they occur, what are the different types and how they both are different. Okay, so we have studied everything in detail. Now in this lecture we will compare both the movements and we will see what are the differences between these two movements. So first let's talk about the definition. Trophic movement is a response to a stimulus that comes from one direction. So trophic movement is a directional movement and they show response towards the stimuli, or you can say कि they show response in the direction of stimuli. जिस तरफ स्टिमुलस होगा उसी तरफ ये मूवमेंट शो करते हैं. ठीक है. ओके, यू हैव सीन डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ ट्रॉफिक मूवमेंट्स, हमने डिटेल में बात किया था एंड यू हैव सीन. नाउ एज कंपेयर टू ट्रॉफिक मूवमेंट, नास्टिक मूवमेंट्स होते हैं, दे आर नॉन डायरेक्शनल्स एंड they do not respond in the direction of the stimulus. Okay, they react to the stimulus, but it's not that ki they show response in the direction of the stimulus. Stimulus has to be there for the movement. Stimulus होना ज़रूरी होता है in order to the movement to occur, but the movement is not in the direction of the stimulus. Okay, for example, you have seen the flowers petals which open during day and close during night. So that was the example of photonastic movement. Now next is direction of the response. So in trophic movement it is directional and in nastic movement it is non-directional. Direction of the stimulus depends on the direction of stimulus, does not depend on the direction of stimulus. That also we have discussed. Okay, so trophic movement, they always show response where the stimulus is present, in that direction only they show response. But here no direction of stimulus is not important. They show response but without showing the direction in the direction of stimulus. Now reason for action. Now why such movements occur? So trophic movements occur due to the cell division. Cell divide करता है, that means growth होती है. Okay, and then the trophic movement occur as you have seen in case of phototropism, like why bending of stem occur, then why coiling of tendril occur. So here what happened, the cell enlargement and cell division occur, which results in the action or which results in the movement. In case of nastic movement, there is no division of cells, but here the Turgor pressure is responsible for the movement, as you have seen in case of Mimosa pudica. छुई में हमने देखा था, whenever this plant encounter any touch, ठीक है, कोई भी टच परसीव करता है, so that due to the loss in turgor pressure in the pulvinous region, the leaves droops down. leaves जो हैं वो droop कर जाती हैं. And secondly, this is a reversible movement also. ठीक है, after some times the plants regain its original shape and form in case of nastic movement. Now types की अगर बात करें, different types of trophic movements are phototropism, geotropism, thigmotropism, chemotropism, hydrotropism and so on. Now if you talk about nastic movement, then epinasty, hyponasty, photonasty, nyctinasty, chemonasty, hydronasty, thermonasty, geonasty and thigmonasty. Now examples: plant shoot bends towards the light, root grow towards the gravity. So as you have seen, so that stems, the shoot, that is positively phototropic and roots are positively geotropic. Now here what happened, movement of Venus flytrap, folding of mimosa leaves as response to touch. So as you have seen, nastic movements, that is your thigmonastic, or you can call it seismonastic. that is that movement occur due to touch. ठीक है, जो insectivorous plants होते हैं, they trap the insect whenever insects come in contact with the flower, okay, with the tentacles which are present inside the flower. So in the same way, Mimosa pudica also, the leaves of that plant, they fold on touching. नाउ स्पीड ऑफ मूवमेंट, फोटोनास्टिक मूवमेंट्स होते हैं, ये स्लो होते हैं, दे शो मूवमेंट स्लोली, ओके, बट हेयर मूवमेंट जो है, स्पीड ऑफ मूवमेंट, इट इज़ रैपिड. एज सून एज यू touch the leaves of the Mimosa pudica, you will see that the leaves folded, leaves droops down. ठीक है, so it is rapid, instant, immediate effect होता है, immediate movement होता है, but here it is slow movement. So this is the all was the differences between nastic and trophic movement. Now I think both the movements are clear to you. Okay, thank you students.